Join me on my nature walk through Indiana University's Arboretum.
I think I see a Mazur cherry tree. Come this way. You can tell this tree is native to Indiana because its leaves are broad to capture lots of sunlight. Come, get a closer look. Okay. The bark. You can tell this tree is from Indiana because its bark is thick to help during the winter months. Look at all the leaves. As you can see, there's lots of leaves on the ground in order to minimize water loss from the trees during the winter months when there's less water. Woo! Indiana's biome is a temperate deciduous forest, whereas Texas's biome is a grassland. As you can see behind me, these are evergreen trees. These trees survive well in Indiana because they can survive our four seasons, our harsh winters and our warm summers. These trees would not survive well in Texas because Texas climate is warm all year round. Another tree native to Indiana is the American sweet gum. It is identifiable by its spiky gumball fruit. Another way to distinguish the American sweet gum is by its leaves. Their leaves are deep, glossy green star shapes, which turn yellow, red, and purple in the fall. You can see the leaves are broad to wait, I forget. Look at all the leaves. As you can see, there's lots of leaves on the ground. I knew that was gonna Indiana's biome is a temperate. It is identifiable by its spiky things. Another tree native to Indiana is the American gumball. It is identifiable by its spiky. It is identifiable by its spiky